Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everybody, we are from class A, group 4 when to show a video of our work. The theme of this video is World of Traditional Games in Indonesia. This video was created to fulfill English assignment.
Before showing the video, we will introduce ourselves. My name is HALIMUL JARIYAH, come from Balangan.
My name is LUTHFI AKBAR. I come from Rantau.
And my name is NORHAFIZAH. I come from Banjarmasin.
And my name is WAHYUDIN. I come from Bantuwala.
Do you know, Indonesia is a very rich country. In terms of natural riches, such as the mountains, the seas, and the shores, as well as cultural diversity, such as religion, customs, dance, and other arts. Indonesia is also rich in its traditional games. Indonesia has traditional games from all provinces. Some play in groups and there are also individual. There are many kinds of games. For example, there was a marble, kite, hide and seek, and many more. But unfortunately, it's not only a memory and is rarely played. Long time ago, traditional games were in high demand because they were not as sophisticated as they are today. Kids today are more busy playing with their phone. So, this time we would like to introduce or simply remind about one of Indonesian traditional game, that is Gobak Sodor or Galah Asin.
Gobak Sodor is one of the traditional games in Indonesia, especially in Kalimantan or Borneo. In this place, people refer to it more often by the name Yasinan. This game is carried in the field to make 5 lanes consist of 4 vertical and 1 horizontal lines that spread right down the vertical line. This game is played by 2 groups. Each group consists of 5 people. One group being a linesman and the other group try to cross from first line to the last line and go back. 4 linesman player keep the vertical lines and 1 linesman player guard the horizontal line. The group that try to cross can running and use a certain trick to cross each line. If all players can throw to the last line and go back without have a touch from a linesman player, so the group will be the winner. But if there is a player touched by a linesman player, so the group will be the linesman group. To touch a player tries to cross, the linesman allowed to thrusting body, but his feet must still on the line.
And here's a simulation example.